Combining the logarithmic expression. To combine log is to rewrite several terms with log into one single log term only, using the law of logarithm. We have the sum and the difference. We know that with the sum of the log, we can combine the sum by putting the product inside of log. And so this is ln log base e of a plus b times a minus b, and that is for the first two terms only. And for the last term, we will bring the 2 in front of ln to the exponent of the argument of that ln. Now, we will simplify the expression inside the bracket to get a squared minus b squared. And we rewrite minus ln of c squared. But the difference of log is the log of the quotient. This is a squared minus b squared over c squared. And we're done. We keep saying this is log because it is log. This ln is log base e. Also, we started with 3 terms with log, but now we only have one single expression with ln. This is what it means when we are asked to combine the logarithmic expressions. Combine 1/3 log of x plus 2 cubed plus 1/2 bracket log of x to the 4th minus log, open the parentheses, x squared minus x minus 6 squared, and then close the bracket. Again, to combine logs is to rewrite this in terms of one single log only if possible. And so first, we will bring the 1/3 to the exponent in the first term. We have log of x plus 2 cubed and then 1/3 to the exponent. That's what the law of log allows us to do. We won't be able to bring this 1/2 to the exponent of the bracket because inside of this bracket is not one single log. If this was one single log expression, then we would be able to bring the exponent up or down whenever we want. But with any simplifying problem, we will simplify the brackets first. Inside of the brackets is the difference of log, and so the difference of log is log of the quotient x to the 4th over x squared minus x minus 6 squared. Now, we saw that 2 there, but we didn't want to bring it to the front because if we did, we would have something stuck in the front of log, so we won't be able to divide this. Now that inside of the bracket is one single log, and so we can bring the 1/2 to the exponent of the argument of log, not of the bracket but the argument. So first we simplify the first term, which is now simply log of x plus 2 plus log of x to the 4th over x squared minus x minus 6, the quantity in the denominator squared, and we would bring the 1/2 to the exponent of the argument, which is this expression. And so this is log of x plus 2 plus log of x squared, because we distribute the 1/2 to the numerator and we also distribute the 1/2 to the denominator, x squared minus x minus 6. The 2 and the 1/2 canceled out. Next, there are now 2 log expressions, and this is the sum, and so we will use the law of logarithmic to rewrite this as log of x plus 2 times x squared over x squared minus x minus 6, and this is still the argument of log. We suspect that we can factor out the denominator, and so we will attempt to do so. This is log of x plus 2 times x squared in the numerator, and in the denominator we can factor this as x plus 2 times x minus 3, and so the final answer is log of x squared over x minus 3.